Hey everyone, Allison Berger here, and today I'm going to show you what it's like to use Buxom's full-on say this 5 times fast, plumping lip polish. If you enjoy this video and you want to purchase Buxom's lip polish for yourself, please do so through my Macy's storefront. By purchasing through my Macy's storefront, you are supporting me and this channel and the ability to keep making fun little videos like this for you. So let's get started. This is a Buxom's full-on plumping lip polish in shade Dolly. It's filled with vitamin A and E to keep your lips moisturized, and it gives you a plumping effect with a nice vanilla scent. Fact. It is vanilla scented, and let's see how it looks. It's free of sulfates, phthalates, and it's paraben free. So far, I really like it. It looks like it's a little darker, but as you can tell, it's coming out very natural looking on my lips, and you might feel a little tingling, and that's what's gonna give you the plumping effect. Ooh, I'm starting to tingle, but in the best way. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want to purchase Buxom's lip polish for yourself, be sure to click the link below to my Macy's storefront. So until next time, I'm Allison Berger, and don't forget, I'm fun-sized. Mwah!